everyone, in this video we will learn speak English from zero level. Do you want to speak English but you feel shy? Do you think your English is zero? Don't worry. I will teach you how to start speaking English from zero level. Step by step and very easily. First, don't try to speak long sentences. Start with small and easy words. Yes, no, okay, please, sorry, thank you, welcome, bye. Practice these words daily. Now start with simple I sentences. I am happy. I'm tired. I'm ready. I like tea. I want water. I live in UK. I am busy. I'm fine. I'm hungry. I'm learning English. I love my family. Very easy, right? Speak these sentences loudly every day. Use English in your daily life. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study in class. I come back home. I do my homework. I go to bed at night. Small sentences make big improvement. Remember, mistakes are normal. If you don't speak, you will never improve. Confidence is more important than perfect grammar. Speak English for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Talk to yourself in English. Think in English. Example, I'm going to the kitchen. I'm drinking water. This is the secret of fluency. Start today. Start small. Even one sentence is progress. You are not zero. You are learning. Keep practicing and soon you will speak English confidently. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.